Have you ever lost something precious? Maybe a toy, a book, or even a pet? Well, today's story is about a little girl who lost her puppy and the adventure that followed. Welcome to StorySpeak English, the channel where you learn English through fun and exciting stories. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's begin. One sunny afternoon, 8-year-old Mia was playing in the park with her golden puppy Max. Max was small, fluffy, and full of energy. He loved running and chasing butterflies. But that day, while Mia wasn't looking, Max ran away. Mia looked everywhere, under the trees, near the swings, even behind the ice cream shop. But Max was nowhere. Her heart beat fast. "Where is Max?" she thought. Mia didn't give up. She went to her neighbors and asked, "Excuse me, have you seen my puppy? He's small and golden." But no one had seen Max. Mia felt sad. But then she heard a tiny woof coming from an old wooden box. Mia ran to the box and opened it. There was Max. He was sleepy but happy to see her. Mia hugged him tightly and said, "I'll never let you go again." Wait, we learned. This story teaches us two things. First, never give up when something is important to you. And second, here are some great English phrases you can use too. Blankets, me have you seen? I'll never let you go again. My heart beat fast. Try using these in your daily conversations. Did you enjoy the story? Then hit the like button and subscribe to StorySpeak English for more fun stories that help you learn English easily. Don't forget to comment below. Have you ever lost something important? How did you find it? Thanks for watching. And remember, every story is a new chance to learn. See you next time.